Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Danielle Naomi. In today's video, as you could see from the title, I'll be showing you guys how to install and curl your U-part unit. So this wig, obviously from the title, is from Unice, and Unice went ahead and sent me a 20-inch body wave 150 density unit. This U-part is like around $140 on their website, but if you look in the description box, you'll definitely see the links to this wig as well as discount codes, because you know I got you, girl. But yeah, really easy to install. And the last time I did something for Unice in terms of a unit like this, it was their V-part unit, and I didn't show you guys how to curl, I just showed how to install. But this time around I did include curling so you guys could see how to do it, and yeah, it was very much requested, so that's why I ended up doing this lengthy video. But it's perfect and I'm so here for it, because you know, like, y'all need to see what I'm doing like in full, in depth. So I'm gonna stop rambling. Again, the links to this gorgeous unit will be in the description box below, and as always, thank you so much for watching. Keep on watching and let's get into the tutorial. That's how blessings upon me, and that's how I made to give him a go. I'm in the light, John knows my passion ignited. Got the music me excited, coming like a potion. Blessings all for my life, man. My thank God for the journey, the earnings, and that's for the flux. Yeah, and gratitude is a must. Yeah, me see blessings fall by my right hand. But I goes for the friends that take off baby load. One time did sit down in a class and we poured then only said the road and me go on with the road.
De las 12, nos fuimos de roce. Hoy voy a lo loco, ustedes me conocen. Reggaeton de Tego, pa' que se lo gocen. Saben quién es Barbie, lo es Santa José. Y yo no me complico, ¿cómo te explico? Que aún no me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? No me complico. pasarla rico. Después de las 12 salimos a buscar el party. Ando con los tigres, estamos en modo safari. Con un fue violento que parece musicari. Yo tomando vino y algunos fumando mari. La policía está molesta porque ya se puso buena la fiesta. Pero estamos legal, no me pueden arrestar. Por eso yo sigo hasta que amanezca en ti. Yo no me complico, ¿cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? Yo no me complico, a mí me gusta pasarla rico. Yo no me complico, ¿cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? No me complico, a mí me gusta pasarla rico. Ey, ey, bluff, bluff, bluff. Ey, 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 ey. Que siga la fiesta, no vamos a parar. Aquí solo se para si llama a mi mamá. Hoy me tocó seguir, la gente pide más. Me invitan por aquí, me invitan por allá. Y vamos a seguir. Las botellas llegan y no las pedí. Sola la casa y están todas solitas. Si saben cómo soy, para que me invitan, pa' que me invitan. Vamos a seguir. Las botellas llegan y no las pedí. Sola la casa y están todas solitas. Si saben cómo soy, para que me invitan, pa' que me invitan. Yo no me complico, ¿cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? No me complico, a mí me gusta pasarla rico. Yo no me complico, ¿cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? No me complico, a mí me gusta pasarla rico. No me complico, nah, yo no me complico, nah, yo no me complico.
Bonafide stallion, and ain't no stable, no you stay on the run. And on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks up and spit it back. Light a match, get lit it back. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work my way. Standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks up and spin it back. Light a match, get lit it back. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah, yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. You stay flexing on me, yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum. We work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. True house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm a lady, that you are my lady. You got the yum, 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 yum. You got the yum, yum, yum. Whoa. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, the yummy, yum, the yummy, yum. We work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. Any day, yeah, the work my way, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe, yeah, babe. In the morning or late, yeah, the work my way.
Okay, you guys, so that is pretty much it. I don't ever wear U-part units. Like, this is probably, yeah, this is actually the first time I've worn a U-part unit since I was like 16, and it's cute. She's all right. She's giving. I definitely need to work on just like how I style the curls pretty much, and that would be it. The leave out portion I love. I could have made it a little bit smaller or a bit wider. I'm not sure. I'll definitely figure it out as I go though, because I definitely will be wearing this very much often whenever I want just a break from frontals. Like, you know, just give natural hair, just give real forehead, real vibes, just real natural. You could always like pull it to the back, or you could leave it like this. And yeah, you could also use some hairspray, zhuzh it up. I love this Kenra because it's like a medium hold, so it's perfect for relaxed hair, because you know, we don't want it to be crunchy whenever we go to like straighten this wig, if we do want to go for a straight look, because as you guys know, U-part units are very much versatile. You could do half up, half downs. You could do so much with this unit, this piece right here. Like, it's just a one-stop shop, honestly. So that is pretty much it. It is in 20 inches, and Unice, y'all did this. This hair is such good quality. It's not super duper thick. It's very much just giving full and perfect. I know when I straighten my hair, it'll blend really well with the color and all. So 10 out of 10 for me. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to Unice for sending me this gorgeous wig. The links for this unit will be in the description box, and might I add, super duper affordable, so don't forget to check it out, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.